Hi, I am Alsa Bakhtawar from the Building Healthy Cities project Indore. Thank you for exploring our systems map that shows a powerful visual understanding of interrelationships between various sectors and their impact on the overall growth of Indore city system. Before you start exploring it, I would like to orient you about some of the features of our map. Right now, you are looking at our context map, and the circles that you can see here are the key elements in the system. They are variables that can increase or decrease whenever there is a change. The lines are the connections between the key elements, and the arrows show the nature and direction of the causal links between different elements in the map. The positive and negative sign that you can see here tell us about the impact of one key element on the another in case there is a change. These circles and connections together form a loop which highlight the stories and key dynamics that are playing over and over again in the system. I would like to narrate one such loop to you as an example. Firstly, you can zoom in and focus on one such loop by clicking on this icon here. Now you can see one loop which is called deep structure. Deep structure in Indore's context map is a story that ties together common elements across the system. Indore city in recent times is witnessing tremendous growth and development. Evidence has suggested that the city growth is due to strong and efficient leadership that it has, which is effectively utilizing the available resources. As the citizens of Indore recognize the positive results of these efforts, they become excited and motivated to be a part of building a healthy and successful city. And when the level of community engagement and participation increases, the leaders also enjoy an increased ability to be effective in their roles as designers of a better future for Indore. One great example of this has been the Clean India mission, under which Indore has been awarded the Cleanest City of India consecutively for the fourth time in 2020. Similarly, you can click on any other loop. Click on this icon here and it will take you to similar narratives. It also has a link to BHC research and evidence. When you click on this link here, it will take you to our JSI webpage, which is a list of all the resources. Each loop also has an example in there, which we have collected during our stakeholder consultation and our baseline assessments. Once you are done, you can zoom out and see the points of connectivity across all 19 loops. A list to all these 19 loops is given at the beginning of our context map. You can click on any of these loops here and it will take you to that particular loop. While you are exploring our context map, you'll also see a different color coding scheme. The part of the map in red that I just talked about is Indore's deep structure. The purple circles right here tell us about the level of accountability and management in place to support effective program implementation and resource utilization. The blue circles right here tell us about the condition of information systems in Indore. The sky blue circles tell us the story of how infrastructure and public health system of Indore are currently working, giving us a window into the pattern underneath the problems that often take our attention. The circles in green that you can see here tell us about the city's ability to engage the population in healthy development efforts. You'll also notice few circles have been highlighted in yellow. These highlighted circles are key inhibitors to the entire system's growth. These represent those areas that frequently appeared in the system and are acting as an important driver of current outcomes. I hope you'll have an insightful time exploring our systems map, and this video would prove to be useful for you while you are doing that. You can share the link of our map with your social circle on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn with the hashtag Building Healthy Cities, and you can also log on to www.jsi.com/buildinghealthycities to learn more about us. Thank you.